What's going on YouTube? GeoSnow right here. So in today's video I have some great news for those of you waiting on iOS 11.1.2, 11.2, 11.2.5, 11.2.6 and so on. Adam Donenfeld, a known security researcher from the iOS community, will attend a new conference this year and he will talk about iOS vulnerabilities, how to find them and how to exploit them. So let me quote, it says in here, announcing our second talk at our conference, Adam Donenfeld on viewer discretion is advised decoding the iOS vulnerability. Now if you take a look in here on the BEVX Hong Kong 2018 speakers, you can see that we have Adam Donenfeld, and a little bit of a refresher in case you do not remember who Adam Donenfeld is. If you remember the Ziva exploit, it has been released by him. He is working for Zimperium, a security company, and back on August 23 on 2017, he released the Ziva exploit, which was a kernel exploit that has been used in Saigon jailbreak, if I remember well. Don't quote me on that. But anyways, it was for iOS 10.3.1 and lower. Well, that was the current version at that time. And of course, it was very interesting because the Ziva exploit was a kernel exploit that could be used, of course, on a jailbreak and has been used on a jailbreak. So we know for sure that Adam Donenfeld is one of the dudes who do release stuff in the jailbreak community and of course helped a lot the jailbreak community. Now he will attend the BEVX conference in here and he will talk about, quote, decoding an iOS vulnerability. Before we start, you're going to ask me, who the hell is interested in this? We're not security researchers, we just want a jailbreak. Well, sure enough, you want a jailbreak, but these jailbreaks have to be built by somebody who knows and who is interested in iOS security. And of course, the more talks like this there are, the more vulnerabilities and the more bugs can be found, because these guys like Adam Donenfeld are spreading the knowledge that is required in order to find vulnerabilities, in order to exploit vulnerabilities, and of course in order to turn them into a jailbreak. It says in here, quote, in this talk, a real-world journey of finding, we will be uncovering a deeply buried vulnerability in the iOS kernel cache. It also says in here, quote, during this talk, concepts and methods of work will be given, from initial investigation till getting familiar with a complete closed source environment, as well as a real-world example of finding sandbox-restrictive vulnerabilities and exploiting them from the most narrowed context nevertheless. So he is pretty much talking about sandbox-related stuff, talking about, exploiting a vulnerability from the sandbox, from that layer of protection that keeps you from doing whatever you want on the iOS system. The sandbox on iOS prevents you from accessing files that you should not access, for example, the root file system, which is of course something you want to access if you want to be jailbroken, and of course it keeps you from doing whatever you want to do, like patching and stuff like that, because you do not have access to other applications sandbox or to other applications container. You're just staying in your container, you're just staying in your quarantine if you want, and you're doing whatever you want, but only in that confined space. Now, bypassing the sandbox means to pretty much destroy the walls of this confined space and to do whatever you want system-wide. But anyways, this is very important. Talks like Adam Donenfeld's and of course Jonathan Levin's and even MinSpark Zeng will definitely help the jailbreak community, because these developers that are building your jailbreak have to learn from some source. They could figure out this by themselves, but it would take literally years. So it's better to have people like Adam Donenfeld, who are security researchers and have been in this scene for years, to share their findings and to share their methods with people who are just beginning right now, like Sticktron or Ben Sparks, who is building the Meridian jailbreak, and so on, and many others. Of course, it's important because they can get a lot of information from these talks, and of course this information can make the difference between having a jailbreak or not. So yeah, this is very important, and I'm really glad that Adam Donenfeld is taking his time to present this, and it's iOS related, because if I remember well, Adam Donenfeld is also an Android security researcher. I'm pretty glad that he chose iOS for this conference. So anyways, thank you for watching, guys. We'll keep you updated with anything that's going on in the jailbreak community. I'm GeoSnow. Until the next time, peace out.